Alright, so we got another tribe of EBER, part 4. But this could be wrong. When you type ABER tribe, right? You go to images, they show the ABUI, the ABUI. They show the Nigerian tribe, and they show this other tribe called ABUI. Oh, tribe. ABUI. Right. The ABUI people, also known as Borrowing, Beru, or Namatalaki, are an indigenous ethnic group residing on Alor Island, East Nusa Tenggara, Indonesia. ABUI people are spread across the districts of South Alor, East Alor, and Northwest Alor. ABUI speak the ABUI language, which is a Papuan non-Austronesian language, as well as Indonesian and a Malay-based Creole known as Alor Malay. Right. The term ABUI is a word that means mountains or alternately enclosed place. Right. The ABUI people refer to themselves as ABUI local, literally the mountain people. The bare term ABUI is often associated with the large mountain range in central Alor, ABUI Foka, often contrasts to the smaller mountain range in the Kabola Adang speaking area, ABUI Kidding in the Bird's Head of Alor. The language is referred to as ABUI Tonga in the Talagang variety, and ABUI Laro and Walai, Mola, and Manang varieties. So, now, the reason I'm saying is because when you type the name ABER, the name ABUI comes up. Right? Let me see if you type plant. But yeah, when you type ABUI, ABIR, they're coming up. Where I learned from Lex Will about the Artfact people, Arfashad, right? Now we got ABUI or ABIR. So yeah, as you can see, they are Papuan or Indonesian, right? This could be wrong, but they refer to themselves as ABUI. Sounds like ABIR. So, that's it.